Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been waiting for this one particular rotary tool to come back to the store, and I've been waiting for almost a year now. So here's the back side of it. So stay tuned and let me give you an honest review of this Parkside rotary tool sold by Lidl. Let me rearrange the camera and I'll be right back with you. Here is the Parkside Cordless Rotary tool. Part number, where is it at on here? Part number PFBS 12B3. Has a lithium ion battery. And it comes with, how many accessories does it has in here? For some reason it doesn't say. That's weird. Huh. Anyway, I'm not going to count them. It doesn't really matter. But you get a whole mess of accessories in here. And I have previously opened this and I already charged the battery to full capacity. Here is the battery charger. And it is a Type C charger. Type C micro charger. Let's see, just normal stuff on there. Go and put that aside. Here's the tool itself. We're going to come back to this. Okay, there's a collet in here, so it has 4 collets, so 5 collets total. Has some buffing polishing wheels, and this is a little drum of cutoff wheels and sanding disc and a grinding stone in here. You got 2 pink grinding stones and 2 gray grinding stones. Got some grinding burrs in here. We have a nylon brush, 4 pink stones, 1 gray stone, 1 brass bristle brush. Got a black nylon brush here. We have 2 mandrels that will hold the sharpening stones and cutoff wheels. We have a drill bit. We got 3 drill bits. We got 6 drill bits, and we have a wrench down here. Now, let me close this up. Come back to that. Looks like it might hold 2 more accessories up here. I wonder if a drum will fit in there. Nope, not quite. So I don't know what that's for. Maybe that's for holding it up. I'm not sure. Anyway, got the nice little accessory kit. Okay, the tool itself. Let me give you a close-up version of this. Not too bad. It's kind of like a triangle shaped. Battery is in here. This end has vent holes. Type C charger goes right here in the bottom. Nice dark green with a rubberized grip. Not too heavy. I thought it'd be a little bit heavier than what it is. Okay, we have the off and on switch right here. That's on low. And we have right here, it clicks into different speeds. It has a 6 and then a max. Spindle lock right here. This is the thumb guard. Comes all the way off. Let's see here. Get that all the way off here. Here you go. We've got the collet lock nut here. And we have the collet down here. So just basically the same old features that most other rotary tools have. That's, the shape is kind of weird, but I'm sure that it has 3 batteries in it, stacked up in a triangle shape. 12 volt max lithium ion battery. Just, yeah, right here, just normal stuff right here on the side. Huh. Let me see if I can get one of my Dremel attachments to fit on here. Just one second. Okay, here I am back. I have a Dremel brand toolless chuck right here. Let me see if this will fit on these threads. Hopefully it will. Get this off of here. Here we go. Okay, that does fit, so that's a good thing. That's a really good thing. If you know these if you know these wrenchless chucks right here, you know how much of an asset these are. These are about $10 or $12 at the local hardware store. Green store or blue store or Ace Hardware, just whatever you like. I do have a video on these, so I would encourage you to check that out. Let me put these things aside real here. Okay, and this is a Dremel accessory. We're going to make sure it fits on these threads right here. I'm believing that it will. There we go. So that does fit. So this Parkside cordless tool will be able to hold your Dremel accessories. So that's another major plus. So if you wanted to, you could put the Dremel flex shaft on here, or put it in the planer attachment. Well, just anything that you would want to use. So that's a plus. But for now, for this tutorial, we are only going to use the accessories that came with this tool. We're not going to do the add-ons from the Dremel. So let's put those aside right now. Put this back on here. Let me put this back on first. Now, how much power does this thing pack? We're going to find out. Well, I'm sure I'm going to have to change that. Yeah, well, I just lost it on the floor. Let me go grab that. Okay, we're going to put a drill bit in here and drill into a piece of wood. Make sure it has enough power to drill into a piece of wood. Let's see here. This is the biggest drill bit that comes with a kit. So make sure it will fit in this collet, which I will need to change that size of a collet. Let's go with this one right here. Yeah, that'll work. Put this one back in here so it doesn't get lost. Close that up, get it out of the way. Okay. Put the collet in there. Now put the collet nut on there. Do a little bit of tightening with my hand. Loosen it up. Now we're going to put the drill bit in. Now we do not want to put the drill bit all the way to the bottom. We're going to keep it about right there. Let's see what happens right with that. Let me get the wrench out of here. And we're going to tighten this up. There we go. Holding the spindle locked down. Just tighten up this drill bit right here. Whoops, went the wrong way. There we go. Whoops. See what I did? I didn't pull this out far enough. Well, I did, but it slid back in. Let's go approximately right there. I'm going to tighten this up by finger tight. Then we're going to tighten it up with a wrench. Okay, just by the weight of the tool, I'm going to drill a hole. into this piece of, where'd it go? Here we go. Got a piece of oak right here. We all know how hard oak is. But just from the weight of the tool, I'm going to drill a hole into here and see what happens. First, I'm going to do it on 1. There we go. You see the lights that come on. There you go. Just the weight of the tool. Not doing much. In fact, it bogs down. So let's turn it up. It's on 3. There we go. I'm having to push it a little bit. There we go. Let's go up to 6. No, let's go to max. Do another hole. There we go. So the max had no issues at all by just the weight of the tool drilling the hole. So that's pretty impressive. I like this. And now I can't remember what I paid for it. $25 or so. Could be a little bit less. Got it from a store called Lidl. L-I-D-L. If you have a Lidl near you, I encourage you to check it out. Maybe go on to Amazon. You might be able to find these. But like I said earlier, I've been waiting for these to come out. I've been wanting to try one of these for a while. And now I have one. I think I'm going to be using this thing a lot. I give this thing a 2 thumbs up. My name's Carl. Appreciate if you hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to the channel, and if you click on the bell, you'll be notified when I upload more videos. I appreciate you watching.